So I figured I'd do a quick video. I haven't done a video in a while, especially on the Trans Am. Saw these on the internet, these fog light and turn signal covers. They were from this, what is it, gscreations.com, and what they are, you know, these tinted deals, but apparently it lets light through, like, you know, it's not tinted. So when I got them, I thought they were like you know, like a little claw on the back to have it kind of on the fog light, but there's nothing on there. Okay, it's just this circle disc. And apparently what you do with, at least with the fog lights, is you kind of wedge it up in there, and apparently it stays. I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to try it in a little bit. And on the same thing with the turn signals, it kind of wedges in there. There's no claws that attach to it, keeping it on there. And apparently it works. I don't know, but they do sell these things by the single. So apparently, you know, some people probably lost them, but I think they were like, I don't know, 40 bucks. So they're not, you know, they're not expensive. So if you lose a couple, who cares? I just kind of like the gold and black, you know, kind of with the theme of the whole car, with the black wheels and the rear valance here in black. I think it's pretty cool. So we'll just see how these things look and fit. Well, here it is installed. It took me probably 2 seconds to install, and yeah, they're just kind of sitting in there, but they're sitting in there pretty tight. I must admit, I was a little skeptical when I first saw the instructions or just saw the product, but it's getting dark here. But I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know. Probably pretty easy to take off too. Supposedly the light comes right through. I don't know. Let's see. Fog lights on. Yeah, it comes through. Not extremely bright, but you know, who cares about the daytime running lights? No one's running those anymore. But the fog lights, not bad. Not bad. Of course, the fog lights are just there for show anyway. Hell, they don't do anything. But I don't know. Tell me what you think.